Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education. Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody. You're doing fantastic. Great job. You're doing fantastic. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. Problem 1. You got great job.
Coming, ready or no, here I come. I see you.
Wow, brother, this
Sweep, sweep. Want a break from you?
Oh no!
Looks like it's sweeping time. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
2,000 years later.
I'm coming, ready or no, here I come. I see you, friend. Gotta sweep.
No, stop! What are you doing? 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 What am I doing with my life? I could be doing anything, but no! Oh my God! No!
Above all earthly dignities, a still and quiet